In this video, we're going to show you how to schedule out of office in Microsoft Teams on Reflect. So first, launch the Microsoft Teams client. And on top right corner, click on the ellipses, three horizontal dots, and click Settings. On the Settings window under Out of Office, click Schedule. Then turn on automatic replies and include your out of office message. On General window, look for Out of Office that lets you schedule and set automatic replies. Click Schedule. Enable turn on automatic replies. Type an out of office message in the text box. This message will appear when people contact you in Teams or open your profile. It's also be sent as an automatic reply in Outlook. And if you'd like to send an automatic message to people outside of your organization, select Send Replies Outside of My Organization. Here you can choose between your contacts or all external senders. You can also add a custom message for external senders or use the same message you typed above by copying and pasting it into the next text box. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.